check out this professional, petrol-powered, high-pressure washer from Karcher, exclusive to Sydney Tools. With this washer's sturdy frame and solid non-flat wheels, you can take it just about anywhere. Combine that with the 10-meter included pressure-rated hose, you get high mobility and high output for removing the toughest stains. And once you're in location, it's easy to start with Karcher's 11.4 horsepower motor driving Karcher's brass head crankshaft style pump. And that pump features ceramic pistons as well, so you can run it all day with a max output of 4,351 PSI and moving 15 litres of water every minute. As I said, it's really easy to start. Just make sure you always check that it's got oil in the motor, which has got an inlet on both sides. You've also got oil in the pump, which has a clear window so you can see the level. Fill it with fuel, switch the choke on, and before you pull the cord, make sure you squeeze that lance to release any built-up air, and then you're ready to go off to the races. Now, I mentioned that window for checking the oil level on the front of the pump. Another great feature with that window is that you can see if the oil is mixing with water and becoming milky, which means you're going to catch it before your pump is damaged. There's also that big transparent inlet filter as well, so you can see how the water is flowing through the machine. It's got pressure relief and thermal valves as well to prevent overload. And it's got that handy hook for the hose, as well as the holder for the lance and trigger assembly. Whether you're storing the tool or taking it on and off site, it just keeps everything together and looks schmick. From cleaning to maintenance, right across the building site, put the dirt on notice with this professional petrol-powered high-pressure washer from Karcher. It's available now at your local Sydney Tools store in the Karcher aisle, or you can go to sydneytools.com.au for Australia-wide shipping. And if you've got any questions, you can always hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.